Welcome back to Act Auto. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most popular commuter motorcycles out there, the Yamaha YBR 125. If you're hunting for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and easy-to-handle bike that's perfect for city rides and daily commuting, the YBR 125 might just be what you need. So let's dive right in and see what makes this little Yamaha such a favorite among riders around the world. The YBR 125 has built a solid reputation for being a practical and affordable motorcycle without compromising on quality. Yamaha designed it with beginners and daily riders in mind, focusing on simplicity, durability, and smooth performance. It's a bike that fits perfectly in the urban jungle, offering just the right mix of power and control to navigate through traffic easily. Starting with the engine, the YBR 125 is powered by a 124cc single-cylinder, air-cooled, four-stroke engine. While it might not sound like much, this little powerhouse delivers enough punch to keep you moving confidently on city roads and highways alike. The engine produces around 11 horsepower, which is perfect for commuting, enough to zip through traffic, but not so much that it becomes difficult for new riders to handle. Plus, the fuel injection system helps with smooth throttle response and better fuel efficiency. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the Yamaha YBR 125 shines here. It's known to return impressive mileage, often around 45 to 50 kilometers per liter, depending on riding conditions. This makes it an economical choice, especially if you're commuting daily or planning longer rides on a budget. Less time spent at the pump means more time enjoying the ride. One of the standout features of the YBR 125 is its user-friendly design. The seat height is moderate, making it accessible for a wide range of riders, including those who are shorter in stature. The ergonomics are comfortable too, with a natural riding posture that reduces fatigue even on longer journeys. The lightweight frame and manageable size make maneuvering through tight city streets or parking in crowded areas hassle-free. When it comes to styling, the YBR 125 keeps things clean and practical. It has a classic no-nonsense look. Nothing flashy, but nothing boring either. The bike features a straightforward headlamp, clear instrument cluster, and a neat fuel tank design that balances form and function. It's a motorcycle that blends well in any environment, whether you're heading to work, school, or just cruising around town. Safety is also well considered. The YBR 125 comes with front and rear disc brakes in many versions, which provide reliable stopping power and confidence on the road. The suspension setup, telescopic forks up front and twin shocks at the rear, offers a smooth ride that handles bumps and uneven surfaces comfortably. While it's not designed for off-road adventures, it certainly feels stable and controlled on most paved roads. Another advantage of the YBR 125 is its low maintenance requirements. Yamaha's reputation for building durable engines means you can expect fewer trips to the mechanic and more time riding. Spare parts are generally affordable and widely available, which is a huge plus if you plan to use the bike regularly. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first motorcycle or